But yeah, this is the Kali River Rapids. This is the ride we did late last week. We did this in the dark last week when it's all lit up, and it was fantastic. Really relaxing actually too. You do get a bit wet.
We're here on the Kali River Rapids. It's going to be so awesome lit up at night. I tell you what, this is fantastic. They will stop when we get there. Yeah, they do.
I got wet again.
There we are, coming past the Kali River Temple.
So we're just coming off the Kali River Rapids. Like I said before, it's a really good ride. It's quite a short ride. It's the shortest boat ride around, I think. But yeah, it's really nice, and especially it's really nice late at night because things are lit up, and yeah, the scenery looks really good. And yeah, I got a bit wet on that ride. Yeah, I got splashed all down my side. I'm not soaking wet like some of the other boat rides you get here in Orlando. Some of the other theme parks, their boat rides are like you get drenched and you get absolutely soaking wet through, like the Dudley Do rides at Universal. That one you do get soaking wet, so that wouldn't be practical at this time of night. But this one's quite an easy one to do. Families can do it, kids can do it. It's quite a gentle ride. All you got is just that one little very, very small slope. I wouldn't call it a drop, it's more of a slope. And especially if you ride it at night time, you don't know when the splashes are going to come. And there's some like sprays that come out of the side that shoot out the elephant's trunks and things, and they catch you off guard, especially if it's at night time. So yeah, it's a good one to do at night as well as during the day. So yeah, Kali River Rapids, very good ride.